Creating and properly optimizing your YouTube channel is very easy. All you need to do is to follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. You don't need to pay for any expensive courses from the so-called YouTube gurus. The only thing you need to pay is your attention. Let's check it out. So this is the entire scope of what we will be working on this video, right? So the first thing, as you can see right here, is to create a Gmail address. So we're going to log on to the website, gmail.com, and then you go to where you have right here where it says create an account. Now you have two options. You have the personal, for my personal use, or for business. So whichever one works fine, but let's just go with for my personal use, right? So just follow the due process. Just fill in your name, your last name, and that's it. The next up, we're going to log on to our YouTube platform, youtube.com, and then we're going to click your icon, right? And then you go to where you have this blue option that says, this blue link that says create a channel. Now, next up, you're going to select a name for your channel, right? And then you go ahead and click your channel handle. So your name can be anything, probably for your brand or something, whichever name you want to use. So I already used the name Home of Hope Hospital. Home of Hope. So let me just add hospital. It's actually for this. I'm creating the channel for a health brand, right? So most of the time it will automatically pop up, okay, the handle for you, right? But if you want to change the handle, you can just change it to whatever name you want to use. All right. Okay. Now, if you get this notification that says this handle isn't available, right? So what this means is that there's another channel that's using this exact handle, because the handle has to be unique to you, right? So you can either add any other thing to differentiate yours from the other channel being used. So let me just add one. Okay, so unsupported character. So you can only use numbers or alphabet. So let me just say 1. All right. So this green sign here shows that the handle is free and you can make use of it. But I'm just going to change it to the one we used before. Right now, you can always change your channel name if you want to. Okay, let's say you use the channel name, and along the line, maybe you want to change it. You can always do that, right? So when you're done, go right ahead and click create channel, and voila, your channel has been created. All right, so we have successfully created our Gmail account. We have successfully created our YouTube channel. So next up, we're going to start the customization, and that includes the SEO. We're going to use ChatGPT. We'll also be designing logos and banners, and of course the about section. All this will be using two platforms, Canva and ChatGPT. So let's come to customize. All right, so next up, we are going to design our channel banner. Now, this is what a banner looks like. It's the image that people that visit your channel will see. Like, it's the header. It tells you, okay, it gives your viewers what your channel is all about, right? So we're going to design this, and of course we're also going to design the channel icon or logo, right? And we're going to do that using a platform called Canva. All right, so here we are in Canva, and of course you have to sign up. Okay, create an account. So we are logged into Canva right here in the search bar, or okay, if you don't see the options right here, because right here what we're looking for is a YouTube banner, right? So if you don't see the options here to create a YouTube banner right here, all you need to do is to come to the search bar and type YouTube banner image. So you have a couple of options, a ton of it anyway, right? Now you have the free option and the pro option, right? So these options that have the icon, this crown logo, they are the pro plan, and you need to subscribe to use them. But we have a couple of very pretty free options to at our disposal. Let's just go into, okay, let me just search for YouTube banner for a health channel. Let's see what's going to come with it. We get any leads. All right, so I think we have a couple of them. Let's see what we got. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. This is for a health channel, but it's a pro template, so we can't use that. Let's look for a free one. Okay, this is also paid as well. Let's look for keep going. Okay, anyway, you get the vibe. Just pick any one. I think this is a free one. So then you go ahead and click right here where it says customize. So you can just change the elements of this design, right? Let me just change it to Home of Hope. Or hospital, right? Let me resize this. Of course, this wouldn't be perfect, and just for illustrative purposes, right? And then I can change this to, okay, just drag it out. Now I can change this to health and wellness. Let's then you come to elements, right, and bring in, let's just look for a doctor. Let's see if we can get any sort of anything like that for a free. Okay, can we get any? Let's go under graphics. Let's see what we got. Okay, I think this is fine. So you can, I'm going to delete this and drag this into the area. It ought to fit into the, let's see. Okay, it ought to fit into the frame, but for some reason it's not fitting, but let's leave it like that. So you can just tweak your design, but this is, like I said, it's for illustrative purposes, right? So when I'm done, or when you're satisfied with the design, you go ahead right here and click share to download your banner image, and click download, and then you can set as JPEG, right? And click download. So we are going to upload it, okay, on our channel banner section. So you come to where you have upload right here, and then let's go back to the download. So this is it. Now you have to ensure that the main content of your banner image are shown or are visible in this safe area. Now this is viewable on all devices, right? It will help your banner image to be seen on all devices. So even if you are looking, or even if someone visits your channel on a mobile device, a cell phone or a tablet, all right, the major aspect of your banner image won't be cut off, right? So I think this is okay by every standard, right? So you can go ahead and click done, right? So we have successfully uploaded our banner image, right? And then if I want to change it, I can go ahead and click change, right? Now you come down to your profile picture. You can change the profile of your channel, right? So right here it says you can use a dimension of 98 pixels by 98 pixels, okay, on not on 4 MB or less, right? So let's go back to our Canva platform. So let us say YouTube profile icon. Let's see what we got. So I can bring in any elements. All I need to do is just to go to element and type, let's just say a nurse or hospital, whichever, hospital or something. And let's see what we're going to come with. Okay, remember we're looking for the free options. Okay, I think this is fine. Now you can drag it to fill up the space, just as I'm doing. Alright, so when you're done, you go ahead once again and click share to download your image. So if you're finding this useful, please like this video and share this video to a friend so that other persons can gain from this video as well. Right. So if you've got questions, any part that's not clear, leave your questions in the comment section, and of course I'll attend to them as quickly as possible. Right, so let's go back to our channel and right, to upload our profile icon. So I'm going to click change right here, and then click this, and you can adjust it. You can resize your banner image, right? I think I'm okay with the way it looks, so I'm going to go ahead and click done. Under where you have description, you're going to tell people that come to your channel or that visit your channel about what your channel is all about and what to expect, right? So to do this, we're going to go to ChatGPT. So I already have the prompt here that says, okay, act as a professional, right here, this is it. It says, act as a professional YouTube coach, right? And strategist that specialize in growing channels in the health niche. I just created a YouTube channel in the aforementioned niche. The name of the channel is Home of Hope Hospital. I need a well-crafted SEO-friendly about us post in 950 characters that will help my channel gain visibility on YouTube search. I'm going to copy this, right? And I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Now, remember that the description, we have about 1,000 characters right here. So I had to be very specific in my prompting on, for ChatGPT to give me the description in about 950 characters, right? But before I do that, before we do the description, there's something we need to do first. Now, yes, we are going to get the tags. Now, if you look at the commands, the command I crafted about us, I said it should contain the following tags, right? So what are tags? Tags are keywords that help your videos or your channel get visibility on YouTube search. So when people come to YouTube and search for particular keywords, your channel or your videos should be visible. So before we get the description, we need to get the tags, because we're going to use the tags in crafting out the about us or the description of the channel. So I'm going to copy this now. So this is the description for the tag, right? So it says, same thing, act as a professional YouTube coach, blah 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 blah. Give me I need high search volume, right, and low conversion tags in the health niche that will help my channel gain visibility in YouTube search. I'm going to copy this and go to ChatGPT. So you see that this whole process is just automated. Yes, so your stress is as reduced as possible. You don't need to craft it out manually. Let's go into ChatGPT. I'm going to copy this into ChatGPT and click enter. So let's see what it's going to come up with. All right, so these are the tags it gave us. All right, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to yes, so I'm going to go to my channel once again. And okay, so I think the section for the tags is in another segment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, okay, let me zoom out a bit. So I'm going to paste these tags right here on this notepad so that we don't have to do it again when I come back. Right now, let's go back to the about us. Right, so now it says, the prompt, I said it should. Where is it again? Okay, I said it should contain the following tags, with each tag appearing at least 3 times. So these are the tags I want to appear on my channel about us, right? Because I'm also going to put these tags somewhere on my channel. So stick around and just follow this video step by step, right? I'm going to copy this tags once again, right? And okay, let us copy the prompt for the description, channel description, and go back to ChatGPT, right? So since we already have the tags right there, I'm just going to say, I'm going to paste it, and I can say yes, use the tags, okay, use the tags you generated earlier, right? And then I hit enter. Now, yes, ChatGPT has given us our tags, right? And I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go to my channel name, my channel page rather, and paste it under description, right? So as you can see, ChatGPT gave us the description in about 780 characters. So that's why you need to be very specific in your prompting, right? Then you can add links if you want to. You can also add your email address. Yes, you can also add your email address too if you want to. And then, yes, I think we are done with the first stage of the customization, right? So when you are done and you're satisfied, go ahead and click publish. Now let's continue our customization, right? Remember, we have to make use of the tags we created here and do other customizations as well. So what we now do is that we go back to our channel right here, and then click the profile icon, and then go to where you have settings. Yes, down here where you have settings, right? All right, so let's come down to now. You can change anything here if you want to, but I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Okay, you can change your advanced settings, change the ID and all that, right? But I don't want to change anything here. What I want to do is to go to my YouTube studio to do for that configuration. Now click the profile icon once again, then go to your YouTube studio, right? And let's see what's there, because I need to do further customization. Then you go to where you have I think it's customization. Yes. Okay, we are done with that. Sorry. Let's go to settings under currency. Now there's, of course, we know that YouTube is a platform that pays its creators. So this currency, under currency, it tells you the denomination that your earnings will be paid in. Okay, so you cannot change it to any currency of probably your nation, but most times it's usually at the default US dollar. Right, then come to channel and your country of residence. You can set it to your country of residence. I'm going to set it to Nigeria, which is mine. Now, the keywords or the tags I talked about earlier, this is where we're going to make use of them. So I'm going to go to my notepad, right, and copy them. Yes, and go to my channel and paste them here. Okay, now you can add as many tags as you want. As you see, we just added, we still have about space for another over 200 characters, right? So you can add that tag as you want. Hospital. Now ensure that the tags you are adding are related to what your channel is all about. Yes, you wouldn't want to add tags that are all about real estate, and whereas your channel is a health channel, right? So your tags have to be related to what your channel is all about, right? So when you're done, you come to where you have as advanced functions, right? So if your channel is meant for kids, of course you can set it to kids channel, but this is not meant for kids. So I've set it at no. And then other options, let's see what we got. Feature eligibility. Okay, this is for if you want to start uploading videos, right? You need to confirm your identity, right? Because YouTube needs to check your security. They need to ensure that your channel is safe. So all these are security features put in by YouTube to ensure safety of your channels, right? So if you want to start uploading videos, you can, of course, over 15 minutes, then you need to confirm this right here. Then this is for live streams and all that. Yeah. So I'm going to go back to upload defaults. Yes, I'm just going to leave the settings as the way they are, because this one is whenever you're uploading videos, there are some write-ups that comes in the description. You can just add them as default, so you don't add them all over again when you are trying to upload the video. Right. So this is more like for later. Under advanced, you can leave these settings the way they are. Permissions, agreements. Yes, so when you're done with this one, just go ahead and click save. Right. All right, so let's go back to see if our channel banner has successfully loaded. So let's see about that. Voila, as you can see here, our channel banner is loaded and we are good to go. Let's confirm from the description right here. All right, you see the description we added is also up and running. It's visible. All right, so you can share your channel link if you want to. Okay, so that's pretty much it.